Hey guys, Andy here. So a little bit of a different backdrop here. I'm in my living room because obviously pretty much the whole planet is going through this lockdown at the moment. I mean, definitely the UK, you're not supposed to leave your house unless it's for essential shopping or you're allowed to go out and exercise once a day, which I'm very grateful for. I've been making the most of that. Please guys, stay home otherwise. But Choetech got in touch saying, do you want to show a few different little accessories that might be useful to people that maybe that are working from home? So they're laptop accessories that they've sent me. Yeah, why not? Might as well. If I can help out, you know, make people's lives a little easier. So send me a few different things. We'll start off with the laptop stand. You can see underneath my laptop at the moment. It's quite a simple, basic looking thing, to be honest, but I like it. It's nice and sturdy. It's slightly adjustable. And then you just sit your laptop on and it's as simple as that, really. There's a little bit of construction required. It comes in a box in 3 different pieces. You have to put the screws in to connect the 2 arms and the base, the stand element itself, I suppose. But it seems quite a nice product. It's got nice rubberized points of any sort of contact point, be it the base or bits that the laptop sits on. And you can adjust it. You see there, if you need to, you can loosen the one locking nut, but I think generally you can kind of, I've done it up quite tight. Oh, so actually it won't move now, which is fine. Oh, you can see a bit of movement there. But I just loosen that and I can adjust the base around a bit. I'm not going to because I've got it where I want it, and actually there's no need. So that's the first thing. Then the next thing you're going to need is a charging brick. Now I'll say straight away, it doesn't come with a cable, so I'll leave a link to some nice Choetech braided cables. You get 2 in the pack of different lengths. This is the longer one and it's pretty long. But then the charger itself, a 61 watt charger, power delivery, so it also rapid charges my Pixel 4, but it charges up my MacBook Pro 2018 MacBook Pro with no problems. I think it was doing kind of, I forget, I'll put the stats on the screen now, but it took less than 2 hours to charge up from about 30%. And it seemed to do a pretty good job. I thought 61 watts, I wasn't sure that was enough, but actually, yep, 61 watts is just fine. It's a nice, solid, well-made bit of kit. Then we've got 2 other additional accessories. One is kind of just a hub. So we've got a HDMI socket, which you can plug in and then use your laptop on your TV. You can either mirror the image or you can have it as an extended display. I do find, and this has nothing to do with the Choetech product, it's a little tricky getting the right resolutions when you set the second like extended display. And I was struggling a little bit with that, but with mirrored display it seemed to work just fine. I'm sure if I knew what I was doing with Mac OS, it'd be quite simple. We've also then got 2 USB type A ports. We've got an SD card reader, which again I did use just to copy some video files over to from my MacBook onto my memory card that goes in my camera. We've then got a USB type C port, and at the end is actually even a network port, which is quite handy. And then finally, it's just a more straightforward and simple HDMI cable. So it's USB type C at one end and it's HDMI at the other. I've not tried it, but this should work in my Pixel 4 as well. You've also got a USB port in the back of the connector, USB type C. And all of these products got a rubberized cable, reasonable length. All these products, they always, I mean, I've had a lot of Choetech products, and they're always very well made actually, which is why when they get in touch, I'm generally more than happy to try their products because they're generally very good. And all of these are no exception. So, I mean, nothing groundbreaking, nothing kind of, oh my God, I didn't know that existed. But I just thought they're quite good little products. If you're gonna buy them, I'll leave the links down below. Please use those. I hope everybody's staying safe. I hope everybody's well. Please do stay safe and stay home. And if you do go out, observe the 2-meter social distancing. We've got to beat this all together, guys. And if you're watching this in a year or two's time, you're thinking, what are you even talking about? No, you probably remember, to be fair. It's a pretty massive thing. Anyway, stay safe, guys. That's it for now. My name's Andy. I'll catch you all again soon.